hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda, loving saying things for a long time now. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. And today we have a mystery box. It's a mystery. What's in this box? What could it be? I wonder. And it's from Melt Cosmetics. And I'm really hoping there's a palette in here. Even though I have almost all the palettes from Melt, because they're one of my very favorite brands. I'm really hoping. And this is a $25 box. It's supposed to have a $135 value. They had a bigger box. But girl, I'm on a budget. There's only so many things I can afford. So, and I love the inside of their boxes because it's got the mouths and the tongues. Look, I'm in the Melt box. Anyway, I think there's a palette in here. There's a palette! There's a palette! There's a palette! Oh, I can't tell which one it is. So, let's get rid of the paper. And everything's in bubble wrap. I'm really excited because there's a freaking palette and I only spent $25. And their palettes start off, the new ones, I'm going to wait, I'm going to do the palette last. The newest palettes, the Elemental palettes, they're like $38, but usually they're like $58 for a palette. First off, we have this little box and it says Melt. Everything's from Melt. It says blood wine. What is this? Let me put my glasses on. It's lipstick. And I don't do bullet lipsticks, so this is going to go to a very happy friend or a giveaway. And their lipsticks are supposed to be fantastic. And it's a cute little bullet. And this color, it's so up my alley. And look at the details on the lipstick itself. It's got beautiful etching on it. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Gorgeous. That is beauteous. I think I know who I'm going to give it to. Someone who needs some adventure in lipstick. That is definitely an adventure in lipstick. Next up we have, it says the Perfectionist Lip Pencil Ultra Precision. And it is in Familia. I don't use a lot of lip pencils, but oh, it's like a beautiful kind of purple color. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't use pencils that much. I just use liquid lipsticks and just get gone. But that's very lovely. This is only $25. I don't even think I paid for shipping. And then, oh, it says liquid set lipstick. Yes, it's a liquid lipstick. I'm so happy. Let's see, and it is in Maya. From the packaging, we have no idea what color it is. Ooh, I think it's a deep color. I'm going to swatch this. Oh, fuck yeah. That is totally up my alley. That is beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited to have that. That is gorgeous. Oh, these little color behind. That is beautiful. And that is going with my liquid lipsticks. I'll put it over there in a second. And then there's another package here. And it says All Day Everyday Eyeliner. And it is in, let's see, 1987. I wonder what color 1987 is. It was a good year for me. Life was carefree. Oh, it looks like it's black. It's a black eyeliner, which is great. I don't use pencil eyeliners really, but maybe I'll use that one because Melt Stuff is fantastic. So far, I have eyeliner, liquid lipstick, regular lipstick, and a lip pencil. And that is this, and I'm now to the palette. I don't have this one. I don't have this one. I don't have this palette. Oh my God, this is the best box. This is the best $25 box I think I've ever opened. Let's see. It is the 420 palette, which is one of their very popular classic palettes. Let's see if I can't get it open. I use the scissors now to open things that are hard, so I stop breaking nails because I'm over breaking nails. Look at that. It's like holographic. And it's totally up my alley. Oh my God. I always wanted this palette, but I never pulled the trigger. Look how beautiful it is. It is stunning. And I will make a look with this very soon. You will get a video with me using this. These colors are fantastic. I'm so excited. This is the best $25 box ever. Ever. So I got a palette, I got 2 lipsticks, I got an eyeliner, I got a lip liner. Fantastic. Well, I'm just over the moon with joy. I'm so glad I pulled the trigger on this box, and I am not disappointed whatsoever. So I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we will see you very soon. Bye.